Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Command Prompt with administrative privileges. Press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. When the UAC prompt appears, click Yes to grant elevation. Once done, verify the prompt shows administrator. Command Prompt in the title bar so you know you're in the right context. This elevation lets you launch the Device Manager console directly from the shell without permission errors or restriction messages. Now, in that elevated prompt, type devmount, MSC, and press Enter. This executes the Microsoft Management Console snap-in for Device Manager. It loads device categories and drivers in a window. Alternatively, type Start devmount, MSC to spawn it as a separate process if you want the console detached from the shell. If you're in PowerShell instead of CMD, run the identical commands. Make sure the shell still shows administrator or the console may fail to open. This step directly invokes the Device Manager GUI. Finally, confirm Device Manager opens and shows hardware categories like network adapters, display adapters, and system devices. If it fails, first check you typed devmount, MSC correctly and that you used an elevated shell. Group policy or antivirus can block MMC. If MMC won't launch at all, run sfc/scano and dism to repair system files, then try again. If sessions still act odd, restart the PC to clear locked handles, then repeat the elevated CMD.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.